Peanut butter cup. I've got pretty high hopes for this one considering Quest's reputation and the fact it's peanut butter covered in chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
Gotta love SpongeBob. Cost, macros, taste. Let's do this thing. When it comes to cost, I picked mine up from Albertsons for 13 bucks for a 4-pack of these things, which is $3.25 a pack. However, you can get it in bulk on Amazon for 26 bucks for a 12-pack of these things, which is $2.16 a pack, which is still pretty bad at 6 out of 10. For macros, things really don't get much better. It has a really bad CTP at 18.1. You also only get 4 grams of fiber. It's only saving grace at 0 grams of added sugar if you're doing keto or if you're diabetic. So for macros, it gets a pretty average macro score of 6 out of 10. For texture, when you pull this out of the package, it looks like a Reese's at first until you go to break this thing in half because it's harder than a teenage boy on Viagra. So let's see how this thing tastes. Alright, like I said with Quest's reputation and the fact that this has pretty shitty macros, I expect this thing to do pretty damn well on taste. So let's do this thing.
Surprise, mother.
First bite, I'm a little let down to be honest. It's not bad by any means. It's got a good sweetness to it, it's got a decent flavor to it, but for how expensive this thing is, and for the fact that it has almost a 20 on the CTP, this really should taste a whole lot better than this. The peanut butter flavor is there, but it's pretty damn faint. The chocolate shell on the outside is hard, giggity, but it's just not super chocolatey. While I think it's better than Hi-Key, it has the same issue that Hi-Key had. This is essentially a knockoff. Again, don't get me wrong, it's not bad by any means. It's pretty good, but it doesn't giggity my goo enough for the cost and macros on this thing. It's got enough peanut butter flavor, enough of a chocolate flavor, and enough sweetness for me to say that I like it, I enjoyed it, and if it was free, I would absolutely eat it. But it's not good enough, I can't give it any higher than a 7.5 out of 10. Averaging the 3 stats for Quest takes it to a 6.5, but I'm gonna bring this down to a 6 out of 10. It's very expensive unless you buy it in bulk, its macros are bad enough, and its taste isn't close enough to the real deal that I'll just budget a regular Reese's into my day and have a protein shake to compensate.